Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Bluetooth on and off on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of your watch screen to open the Apps menu. Select Settings. In Settings, tap Connections. In the Connections settings, tap on Bluetooth. Tap the toggle to turn Bluetooth on and off. When the toggle is blue, Bluetooth is on, and when it is grey, Bluetooth is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.